Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize connected calendar settings in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the platform's features and settings. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings menu and it's where you'll be spending most of your time for this tutorial. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. Now that the settings panel has opened, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various options listed there. From this menu, click on General. This section contains the foundational settings for your HubSpot account, including calendar configurations and other core functionalities. After clicking on General, look at the top of the settings area where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Calendar tab. This is where all your calendar-related settings live, and it's the central hub for managing how your calendar integrates with HubSpot's meeting and scheduling features. Once you're in the calendar section, you'll see an option called Calendar Sync. Make sure the checkbox next to it is checked. This setting ensures that your external calendar stays synchronized with HubSpot, which is essential for accurate scheduling and availability tracking across platforms. Next, you'll notice an option labeled Meeting Scheduling Pages. Go ahead and check the checkbox for this feature as well. Enabling this allows you to create and manage dedicated scheduling pages that clients or prospects can use to book meetings with you directly. Now scroll down slightly until you see Availability Calendars. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select a calendar from the list. This determines which calendar HubSpot will reference when checking your availability for meetings, so choose the one you use most frequently for business appointments. Moving on, you'll find a section called Meetings URL. Here you have the option to click Choose Your Own URL and input a custom URL that's easy to remember and share. Additionally, you can click the drop-down menu on Meeting Domain and choose a domain that best represents your brand or organization. This customization makes your meeting links look more professional and aligned with your company's identity. Further down, you'll see an option for Default Meeting Link. Click the drop-down menu and choose a default meeting link from the available options. This link will be used as your primary scheduling page whenever you share your booking information with contacts. Next, locate the Scheduling Pages section. You'll see a toggle button here that allows you to turn this feature on or off. Click the button to enable or disable scheduling pages based on your preference and current needs. This gives you control over whether your scheduling pages are active and accessible to others. Finally, scroll down to the Chat Profile section. Here, you'll find a checkbox that says include a link to your meeting's booking page in the Messages chat window. Check this box if you want your meeting link to automatically appear in chat conversations, making it easier for prospects to schedule time with you without leaving the chat interface. Once you've configured all these settings according to your preferences, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will apply all your changes and ensure your calendar settings are fully customized. And that's it. You've successfully customized your connected calendar settings in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.